fix Steam error content still encrypted. So if you want to fix your Steam error content still encrypted, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Steam. You can go with application. Now, after opening your Steam, the first thing you need to do is verify integrity of game files. If the error happens within a specific game, a corrupted update file is usually the culprit. For that, you need to open up your Steam and then go with your library, which will be in the top left, and then right click on the problematic game and select properties. After that, you need to go with install files tab and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to scan and repair. After that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the second method, which is you need to clear system and download cache. For that, you need to open up your Steam client and then go with settings, which will be in the top left corner. After going to your settings, you will have the downloads tab. You need to select downloads and then click on clear download cache. After that, confirm, then log back into your Steam when prompted. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and reinstall the game. If the issue persists for a single game, completely uninstall and reinstall it. Right click the game in your library and go with manage and select uninstall. Once uninstalled, click on install again and your problem will be fixed. Or you can reinstall Steam client. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.